Hey everyone, Pharaoh Silver here with another Beer Money review. Today is my 40th birthday. I'm gonna be honest with you all, I have not been looking forward to it. On top of existential dread and a midlife crisis hitting its peak since last year, I now realize I have to genuinely start taking care of myself. That means more exercise, eating better, drinking more water, and getting more sleep. And being the beer money guy, I would obviously want to find ways to monetize that with minimal invasive effort. So when an ad shows up of some fit blonde women talking about an app that can do just that for me, you know I have to review it. And that's what we're going to do today. This is the beer money review of FitCash. So before we get to it, if you like beer money videos like this one, would you please Now, FitCash was created by Earn Labs, a company created last year over in San Francisco, California, and this is their debut app. As a note, they are not related to the website Earn Lab. FitCash is a wellness app that pays users for walking, drinking water, keeping screen time in check, and taking health trivia, while supplementing payouts through third-party offers and games. Unlike other walking apps, FitCash doesn't focus just on walking. It tries to take a holistic approach to paying for wellness. When you log in at the start of any day, you will immediately be met with a login bonus, as you can see here. Login bonuses are 5 points a day, except on day 7, if you make it there, you get 10 points instead. A good chance to let you know here that the conversion rate is also 1,000 points, equaling $1. You will also see a mystery box available. Now these used to have rarities, but these days mystery boxes go between 6 to 10 coins. Let's see what I get. I got 7 points. I said coins, didn't I? No, it's actually points. So yes, from 6 to 10 points. And I got 7 for this one. It used to give as much as 20 points when I first started for a common investigating this app, but it did eventually get nerfed. Now I know it's not much of a nerf and I'm barely going to count it, but a penny a day is not really all that much in the grand scheme of things. You will also be met with a quiz in which you answer a health questions. These health questions are multiple choice and some of them are actually kind of tough. They require some research unless you are a doctor or some kind of physician, or you could just ask AI. It's 20 points if you get the answer right and 5 if you get it wrong. Here's an example of one here. Put down in the comment section what you think the answer is. No cheating. Now at the top over here on the dashboard is a daily wellness logger. So we're going to tap this, and here you can track your screen time, keep it under 2 hours of social media, and apparently social media does include Discord. You have a step counter where you get 5 points per 2,500 steps. You have water intake where you have to log at least 8 glasses, and all you really gotta do is just press the 8 button over here. So just tap this, boom, like that. And a workout in which you simply tap log to state that you got 1 workout done. Now be sure, they go on the honor system, but be sure that you actually do some of these because yes, I'm actually starting to do this myself as well, although I'm just trying to demonstrate today how I'm doing it. I still got to work on my walking. And by the way, I know I use a phone swing with Cash Walk and other walking apps, but I'm actually genuinely trying not to use a phone swing with this one, mainly because my Google Pixel doesn't quite work with the phone swing anyway. So yes, I'm actually trying to do some steps. I'm going to be doing a walk after this review. Now let me go ahead and tap submit and earn points once I have everything set. And there we go. I got 40 points. Your wellness goals all will total 70 points. 10 points for screen time, 40 for walking, 10 for water intake, and 10 for workout. Just any steps at all will give you 20 for walking, and every 2,500 steps after gives you an extra 5 points per. Now there is ad watching as well. You can earn 10 points for watching an ad, and you can watch up to 5 ads per day. Now, unlike other parts of this app that resets at midnight your local time, ads will reset at midnight Pacific time. So keep that in mind if you're wondering why you see everything reset except the ads. At least for me, they reset about 3 a.m. Now for the most lucrative part of the app. You might have seen this boost points button and you're probably wondering what that was about. What are all these boost points about when I get rewarded just free points? Well, it is the one offer that I find almost too good to be true, and that is The lightning offers. So you are given 5 rounds of lightning offers, each with an increasing number of points. They start at 25 points, and they go up to 125 points in the final round. The way these work is similar to old click to ads. So you just click start offer once you get to it. So I'm going to click this, and I'll click start offer or tap it. I keep calling it click. This is how you know I'm old. And you're taken into one of these search pages where you'll be asked to click one of the related searches. So I will tap this one. Once you're done tapping that, you'll have to tap the visit website once you see the sponsor for it. So we're going to tap that as well. Now give it about at least 5 seconds for each one, 5 to 10 seconds. And they do ask that you read it thoroughly if you can. So it will show you the website or product that there is. Then we are going to go ahead and go back to the app to collect our points. And there you go. That's my 25 points. Once you complete a lightning offer, you must wait 30 minutes before doing the next round. Now, if you tally up the totals, if you do all 5 rounds, that is 37.5 cents for clicking 5 ads. I know a lot of these ads are basically prescription drug companies, and so they probably pay very, very well. But if you only did the Force Daily login, got your quiz wrong, and the 5 lightning offers, you could basically be earning $15 a month on these things alone. Either way, this is one of the best payment for ads that I have seen out there. Now, if you go all the way down to the bottom, you'll see a little trophy down there. It says achievements, complete goals to earn badges, and multipliers. You can earn bonus points based on achievements such as earning points, completing redemptions, completing offers, and getting referrals. And you probably heard completing offers, and yep, that's right, there is also an offer wall. So FitCash holds a variety of mostly games to play, get achievements, and earn points. There are also some app downloads and subscriptions as well, and the earnings are pretty decent. Ooh, is there a Raid Shadow Legends one? Interesting. But there have been reports and comments in the app that many of the games do not pay out. You might have to check with a local beer money group like the Beer Money Network, or a group for this particular app that could help you find the ones that do. Their referral program is a 3-step system that can earn you up to 2,500 points or $2.50 per friend, and your friend will also get a 450 point or 45 cent bonus out of it. Once your friend joins and earns 750 points or 75 cents, you get 500 points and your friend gets 250. If they complete a 7-day streak and 1,000 offer points, you get 1,000 points and your friend gets 100 points. And finally, once they cash out, you get 1,000 points and your friend gets another 100. And before you ask, the lightning rounds do not count as offer points. Redemption is available via PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and several gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, and Nintendo. Minimum payout is 5,000 points or $5. It's pretty no frills, there are no bonuses, so basically the best tip here is to just choose one of PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. I do say Amazon, Walmart gift cards are almost the same as cash, but you know what's better? Actual cash, baby! Also, I should mention that FitCash uses Tremendous. It seems to be a very popular payment service for a lot of these beer money apps these days. Now, I did get my $5 almost instantly, but one note. While FitCash does not have a full KYC, they did ask me for a scan of my face to make sure that I was a living being. Nothing else. No driver's licenses or anything like that. And I am mostly okay with this. Full KYC, I'm generally not when I'm only trying to withdraw like less than $100 from somewhere. Like, why do you need my driver's license for $5? I mean, I'll do it, but that just feels very invasive. But just proving that I'm a living being, yeah, sure, I'll do that. First, the pros. The non-offer wall payouts are genuinely good. I counted if you did everything that you needed to do, you would be getting around 53 cents a day, or about $16 a month, which puts it on the high end of walking fitness apps in earnings before offer walls. It is also one of the few to allow cash outs to PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App instead of gift cards. Direct cash is always a winner. The step counter is also not overly demanding. Many step counters like to push to 20,000 steps, and that FitCash stops at 10,000 makes it more reasonable than others. And the lightning rounds are the highest return for just clicking ads that I have seen since the 2010 Swagbucks days. It alone will earn you nearly $12 a month for essentially 1 minute of work a day. Over a 30-day month period, that is a genuinely awesome per hour return by beer money standards. Now the cons. It is an offer while GPT site, get paid to, not ChatGPT, wrapped in a fitness app. And it makes me sad. Final rating, wow, I am giving FitCash 5 stars out of 5. I'm actually kind of surprised too. The payouts are up there with Cashwalk and Bitwalk without requiring you to cash out to a Walmart gift card or Bitcoin with transaction fees. I think if this holds, it could genuinely pass Cashwalk as my new gold standard. But the only thing that keeps it from doing so right now is that a lot of the payment relies solely on the lightning rounds. If the lightning round payments change, I will have to change my rating. But for now, FitCash is one of the best fitness and walking apps out there today. But whether or not it's because it's relatively newer, or because they are truly the new gold standard, is something we will find out in the months, maybe years to come. But for now, 5 stars out of 5, I'm giving it my recommendation. Go check it out. And if you want my referral code, it is right here on screen. I also put it in the description below. Go check out this app, like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to Pharaoh Silver for more beer money reviews. I'm doing 3 this month. That's right, we got 2 more in the month of August, every 2 weeks. I'm curious to see how this app goes in the coming months. Maybe we will do a re-review of it at the start of 2027 because, you know, New Year's resolutions and everything. Also, big thanks to my supporters, Gold YouTube member Brandtastic, Silver YouTube members Proud Mama 0907, Poker Mouse, and EY Spirit Seekers, as well as Beer Money Insiders, Disturbed Doge, Josh42, Ashley Stanfield, Kristen O'Neill, and the Board Game Sports Network. Now for more beer money reviews, go check out the one on Atlas Earth on the left. Yes, I actually did not do one for years, believe it or not. And if you want to go check out a brand new game like Atlas Earth, my first look at Terramine is on the right. This is Pharaoh Silver signing off. I will see you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.